This activity will cover spreading the bed, manipulating sheets, identifying different types like the pillow, sheets, and fitted sheets, organizing and arranging pillows upon the bed in a presentable manner.
The area of occupation for this activity entails home establishment and management, which means obtaining and maintaining personal and household possessions and environment, including maintaining and repairing personal possessions, as well as knowing how to seek help or whom to contact.
The objects and properties involved are the bed, sheets, and pillow. The space that it demands would be a bedroom. The value of this activity is keeping the home clean and tidy. The body functions involved are mental function, which would be attention, memory, and perception. Sensory function includes visual, vestibular, and proprioceptive functions. Neuromusculoskeletal function includes joint mobility and joint stability. Muscle function includes muscle power, muscle tone, and muscle endurance. Movement function includes control of voluntary movement and gait patterns. Cardiovascular and respiratory function includes physical endurance and stamina. First, the client aligns and positions their body against the bed to become stabilized. Then they bend and flex their trunk 30 degrees to reach and grasp the sheet with both hands. They will extend their arms and fingers while pronating their hands to grasp the sheets, as well as using dexterity within their fingers to manipulate the sheets.
To pull the sheets, their fingers will go into flexion, allowing their hand to then supinate, and the arm will then flex at 95 degrees. The arms will internally rotate at 95 degrees and externally rotate at 30 degrees. While pulling and lifting the sheets, the shoulder will flex at 90 degrees. Extension and flexion of the wrist and elbow while reaching and pulling the sheets. Mobility for this activity include the ability to maneuver around the bed at a moderate pace. Fine motor skills required for this activity include reaching, grabbing, and manipulating the sheets. This activity requires minimal to moderate amount of strength. A minimal amount of energy is required for making the bed.
For cognitive performance skills, problem solving is involved. For social performance skills, there is minimal to no social interaction involved.
Communication and environmental skills. Visual, it would be an awareness of the environment to identify a bed, sheets, and pillows.
Vestibular requirement would be balance to perform this activity, being aware of the position of the individual's body and avoiding to hit the bed.